And now we are going to learn what is meant by interspecific competition. In the previous tutorial, we agreed that competition can be between members of the same species, and we call it intraspecific competition, or between members of different species, and we call it interspecific competition. So, interspecific competition occurs when individuals of different species compete for resources such as food, light, and water. And when populations of different species are in competition, one will normally have a competitive advantage over the other. So, the population of this species will gradually increase in size, while the population of the other will diminish. And if conditions remain the same, this will lead to the complete removal of one species, and this is known as the exclusion principle. In other words, no two species can occupy the same space indefinitely when resources are limiting. For example, when the gray squirrels were introduced to the UK in 1876, this led to the decrease of the red squirrel population in the UK. This is because the gray squirrels quickly grew in numbers. The larger gray squirrels compete with the red squirrels for food. So this led to the increase in the number of population of the gray squirrel and decrease in population of the red squirrel.